Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Nikki, known as the One-Handed Bandit, and today I am starting off with my brows already done, and I am using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Friendcation palette. And this is the palette. I know my lighting is a little off and the shades do look a little light, but I'm going in with the first shade in the palette called Churro, and I'm adding that to my crease with the E25 blending brush, and I'm going in with the next shade called Necessary, and I'm just going to use that to lighten up that transition shade. Next, I'm using this shade called Girl Bye. So I wanted my lid to have more of a gradient effect, and I am using that chocolate brown shade in the palette called Cheens. And I'm just going to use that in the outer V of my eye. I know I am out of focus, but I'm in a new setup and it was hard for me to position my camera the right way, so I do apologize for that. And so I'm cutting my crease with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Sand. And for my lid shade, I am using this shade called Just a Kiss, which is a very, more of a light champagne color. And I'm just going to add that to my brow bone. And I'm also going to be adding that to my lid as well on the inner portion of my eye. The next shade I'm using is this blue shade called A Moment, and I'm going to add that to the middle portion of my eye. And I see everyone using this shade on YouTube, so I wanted to try it out because it looks so pretty, and this was one of the main reasons why I purchased this palette. I purchased it when it was on sale at Ulta for $27.50. From the looks of the shades, I don't think it was worth $55, so I'm pretty happy that I got it for 50% off. because honestly, I just want the foiled metallic shades in the palette. So I'm doing this new thing with my videos where I'm just doing one eye on camera and the other one off camera, just because I wanted my videos to be a little shorter. I thought that I was taking up a lot of time and I'm having nearly 20-minute videos just doing an eye look. So let me know in the comments section down below if you like this new thing with me just doing one eye. Well, that chocolate brown shade just wasn't doing it for me, so I am using that other metallic shade right next to that, right underneath the blue shade, called Game Over, to deepen it up. And for face, I'm using my Embryolisse face primer or slash moisturizer. And for foundation, I'm using my Born This Way foundation in Chestnut. And for concealer, I'm using the Born This Way concealer in Sand. And to set, I'm using my Dermablend setting powder, just the white translucent one. Think I've been away too long. I am trying out new things and I am using the Warrior 2 palette and I'm using this pink shade as a blush. And to set my face, I'm using this caramel brown shade just to set my foundation. And I'm just using the same shades that I used from the Desi Katie palette. All the shades that I used in my crease, I'm using it on my bottom lash line. And I am using my Gerard Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Lucy. And I'm adding that in my inner tear ducts. Also adding that highlighter to the bridge of my nose as well as the tip of my nose. And also adding it a second time. I just like that glazed donut look. And it wasn't too glazed enough for me, so I went back in a second time to get the look that I was looking for. And then I'm also going to add some of that highlighter on my cheekbones, and then I'll go in to add it to my cupid's bow as well. And for lipstick today, I am using the Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in Drop Dead Red. And that is it. That is the final look with my holiday glam look. And you can definitely slay the holiday parties with this look. And if you recreate it, definitely tag me on Instagram or leave me a comment down below. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.